I had a dream on the 25th of April 2023, Tuesday, that there was Biden supporters and Trump supporters. One of the Biden supporters was wearing a Batman costume. I told someone that there wasn't any major wars when Trump was president. The interpretation is this. This is a dream regarding Biden and Trump. This is literally about Biden and Trump, and we must pray for Trump to win the elections. Biden supporters wearing a Batman costume means Satan is behind the Biden presidency. End of interpretation. We need to pray for Trump to win the next election as a body. The reason he didn't win last time was because God's people didn't pray. God is always interested in politics, even in Bible times. 2 Chronicles 7 verse 14 says, "Then if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sins and restore their land." We humans have dominion, and if we don't exercise that dominion, Satan will have his way as seen in the Bible.